Today is Monday, August 20th, and I want to do a quick recap on Ecologic Transportation Inc. That's ticker symbol EGCT, traded on the bulletin board. And on Friday, the stock closed at 27.6 cents. That was a gain of 2.2% after seeing a low of 25.1 cents and a high of 28.7. Key thing I want to point out on this chart is recently the stock had a pullback and found support off of the 200-day moving average. It bounced off of that support, and we've been seeing higher lows and higher highs off of that recent low of 22 cents. Notice the accumulation and distribution is coming off of being oversold. Looks like it's pointing north. I'd like to see this accumulation distribution continue to climb north. The RSI is looking like it's ready to come off of being oversold. RSI is starting to creep back up. I'd like to see this get through the 50 MA overlay. Notice the last time the RSI got through the 50 MA overlay, the RSI ran all the way into the power zone, and the stock went from the 25 cent range all the way up to 48 cents. And back then, notice you had a crossover on the PPO. The slow stow also crossed over right here, and the slow stow got through the 50 MA overlay, and that was when the stock had a nice move. Notice the indicators are starting to line up again, similar to the technicals back here in July when it had a nice move. So you had the PPO crossover, the slow stow crossover, and got through the 50 MA overlay. Well, look what happened right here. We had the slow stow crossover. The slow stow is pointing north. It looks like it's ready to take on that 50 MA overlay. I'd like to see that slow stow continue to climb north and bust through that 50 MA overlay. Notice the PPO is starting to hook up. These lines are showing a hint of convergence. I'd like to see these lines cross, and I'd like to see the PPO turn north and get through the 50 MA overlay. So we're going to be keeping an eye on EGCT for all those reasons. It's had some good runs in the past. Looks like it could be setting up for another nice run here in the future. Keep it on your watch list. Be sure to stop by BlueHorseshoeStocks.com for updates on EGCT. As always, thanks for tuning in.